Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss some phrasal verbs in our language session. So we begin with the first verb, that is call on. What does call on mean? Call on means pay a visit. When we go to visit someone place, we can say that we are going to call on so and so person. The sentence can be I am calling on my friends. Clear? Drop in. Drop in means pay an unannounced visit. Pay an unannounced visit. It means see, drop in. Drop in means pay an unannounced visit. I dropped in to check out my library for a while. He dropped in to check out my library for a while. Now drop out. Drop out means withdraw. What does drop out mean? See the difference between drop in and drop out. Drop out means withdraw. I have dropped out from the team for it was unorganized. I have dropped out. It means I have withdrawn from the team for it was unorganized. Fall off. Fall off means decrease. What does it mean? Fall off. Fall off means decrease. Due to excessive heat, the attendance of the class has fallen off. Due to excessive heat, the sentence can be due to excessive heat, the attendance of the class has decreased. It means has fallen off. Next is fall out. Fall out means quarrel. I have been told that siblings have fallen out, that siblings have quarreled. Get through. Get through means succeed. Now, difference between fall off and fall out. Fall off means decrease, fall out means quarrel. Now, get through. Get through means succeed. You will not get through this year if you do not work hard. You will not be able to succeed this year if you do not work hard. Get at. Get at means attack. The dog tried to get at me. The dog tried to attack me. Bear with. Bear with means have patience with. See, we are using, see these three words, bear with, bear out, and bear down. Bear with, bear with means have patience with. I hope you will bear with me for a few minutes more. I hope you will bear with me a few minutes more. Now, bear out. Bear out means confirm. This your statement bears out the evidence of Sham's witness. Your statements bears out the evidence of the first witness. Now bear out. Next is bear down. Bear down means crush. The lawyer was able to bear down his opponent in a short time. Bear down means crush. The lawyer was able to bear down his opponent in a short time. Come about. Come about means happen. I have no idea how did it came about. Come about or came about means happen. I have no idea how did this happen. I have no idea how it came about. Come across. Come across means meet by chance. I came across an old classmate of mine while returning from the market. I came across an old classmate of mine while returning from the market. I met him by chance. I met her by chance. I came across. Do with. Do with means utilize. I can do with my old sports shoes for practice sessions. I can utilize my old sports shoes for practice sessions. Do away with. Do away with means bring to an end. Who will take the first step to do away with the existing social evils? Who will take the first step? Do away with. Who will take the first step to do away with the existing social evils? Bring it to an end. Keep on. Keep on means continue. They kept on working till they were extremely tired. They kept on working till they were extremely tired. Keep on, keep back. What is meant by keep back? Keep back means conceal. Alright, I shall keep back nothing from you. I am not going to conceal anything from you. Given. Given means surrender. Give in. Given means surrender. Now, giving in to destiny denotes true faith in God. Giving in destiny means true faith to God. True faith to God. Give off. Give off means emit. Emit means to produce, to release. The fire gave off a dense smoke. Fire gave off a dense smoke. Next, give forth. Give forth means publish. The statement was given forth only after it was confirmed. The statement was given forth only after the confirmation. Now see, we have already done call on. Call on means pay a visit, and drop in. It means pay an unannounced visit. So there's a difference between call on and drop in. Now see, there is drop in and drop out. Drop in means pay an unannounced visit, and drop out means withdraw. Like, I have dropped out from the team for it was unorganized. Fall off and fall out. What does fall off mean? Fall off means decrease. Fall out means quarrel. The sentence using the word fall off. Due to excessive heat, the attendance of the class has fallen off. Fall out means quarrel. Fall out means quarrel. I have been told that siblings have fallen out. Get through means succeed. You will not get through this year if you do not work hard. Get through. Now get at. Get at means attack. The dog tried to get at me. Bear with, bear out, bear down. Bear with means have patience with. Bear out means confirm. Bear down means crush. These three are entirely different because the bear word is same, but we are using different preposition with bear. Alright, now come about. Come about means happen. I have no idea how it came about. I have no idea how did it happen. Come across means meet by chance. Meet by chance. I came across an old classmate of mine while returning from the market. So come about and come across. Do with means utilize, and do away with means bring to an end. Do with and do away with. Look at the difference. Do with means utilize. I can do with my old sport shoes for practice sessions. Do away with. Who will take the first step to do away with the existing social evils? Keep on, keep back. Keep on means continue. What does keep on means? Keep on means continue. He kept on working till they were extremely tired. Keep back means conceal. I shall keep back nothing from you. Give in, give off, give forth. Give in means surrender. Give off means emit. Emit means release. Give forth means publish. Give in means surrender. Giving into destiny shows the true faith in God. Give off, the fire gave off dense smoke. Fire emitted dense smoke. Give forth means publish. The statement was given forth only after it was confirmed. So we have done how many? We have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have done 19 phrasal verbs. And now what are you supposed to do is you have to frame a sentence using these phrasal verbs, and please do keep their meaning in your mind. Okay.